CPU Turbo Boost is a technology found in many modern Intel processors that allows the CPU to temporarily run faster than its normal speed when extra performance is needed. Think of it like a car that usually drives at a fuel-efficient speed but can accelerate quickly when you need to overtake another vehicle or climb a hill. Most of the time, your CPU runs at a base clock speed, which saves energy and keeps the computer cool. But when you start doing something demanding, like playing a game, editing a video, or running a complex program, the CPU automatically turbo boosts to a higher speed to handle the heavy workload more smoothly. For example, if your processor's base speed is 2.1 GHz, it might be able to boost up to 3.7 GHz when needed. This boost happens only if the CPU isn't too hot and is within safe power limits. The process is automatic. You don't have to turn anything on or adjust any settings. Turbo Boost is built into the CPU and works in the background, so you get extra speed when you need it and energy savings when you don't. A simple analogy is to imagine a worker at a factory. Most of the day, the worker moves at a steady pace, conserving energy. But when a big order comes in, the worker speeds up to finish the job quickly, then returns to the normal pace once the rush is over. Similarly, Turbo Boost lets the CPU work harder only when necessary, helping to extend battery life in laptops and reduce heat and power consumption overall. In summary, Turbo Boost is like having a reserve of extra speed in your CPU that kicks in automatically during demanding tasks. It makes your computer faster and more responsive when you need it most, without you having to do anything special.